students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir and today we will start with exercise 9.2 of chapter number 9, that is sequence and series. Before starting the exercise, let's learn some formulas. Okay, now we are going to learn formulas based on series. We will say arithmetic progression. If there is a series like this, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Okay, so here the first term is 3, so I will write down a is equal to 3. The first term will be denoted by a. Okay, the difference d, it will be the difference between any two consecutive numbers. That's it. 6 minus 3, it's 3. Or 9 minus 6, it's 3. 12 minus 9, it's 3. So I will write down this as 3. Okay, now the formula for the nth term, say this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, the last will be nth term. The formula for nth term will be an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, let's take this fourth term is 12. So if I want to find out a4, then it will be equal to a plus 4 minus 1d. A, that is the first term, that is 3. 4 minus 1, 3, and the difference is 3. So 3 plus 9, and that is equal to 12. That's it. Okay, this is the formula for nth term. Now if I want to take sum of n terms, like 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 up to nth term, this is called sum of series till nth term. The formula for nth term is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so this is the formula for sum of n terms. There is also one another formula. If you know the last term, then you can find it out. N by 2 a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. Okay, let's take example. If I want to take Sn, that is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9. Okay, so here 9 is the third term, so n will be equal to 3. Now we know that 3 plus 6 plus 9, that is equal to 18. We know that 3 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 18. So let's check with the formula. So here S3 will be equal to 3 by 2, 2 into A, that is 2 into, what is A? 3. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, n is 3, so 3 minus 1, here it's n minus 1, so 3 minus 1, 2, and the difference is 3. So this will be equal to 3 by 2, 6 plus 3 to the 6, that is 12. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, so it's 6 3s are 18, right? So that is our answer. If I use the other formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So 3 by 2 a, what is the first term? 3 plus l, what is the last term? 9. So it's 3 by 2. 3 plus 9, that is 12. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, that is equal to 18. Okay, clear? So these were the formulas. This is for difference. This is for the formula for nth term, and this is sum of the sum of the series till nth term. Okay, so note down these formulas. Then we'll start with exercise 9.2. Now let's start with the exercise. Exercise 9.2, question number 1. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Okay, so our series will be in this way. It's odd number, so 1. The next odd number is 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to the last odd number will be 2001. Okay, so here the first term a is equal to 1 and the last term L is equal to 2001. The difference between two consecutive number, that is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, so the sum will be, we will use the second formula, that is n by 2 a plus L. So that will be equal to n, that is okay. First we need to find out how many terms are there, right? So see, if we take, this is the first term, second term, third term, like this way 2001. Okay, so see here, this will be equal to, first I will write down an equal to a plus n minus 1d. The n, that is the last term, is 2001. A, that is the first term. What is the first term? 1 plus n minus 1 and difference is 2. When this 1 go on this side, this will be 2000 equal to n minus 1 into 2. N minus 1, 2 ones are 1000. Okay, that will be equal to 1000. So n is equal to 1001. Remember, first I need to find out n. So what I did, I used the formula for nth term. Okay, so I used the formula for nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1d, and I found out the value of n. Now putting in this equation, it will be 1001 upon 2, a, that is 1 plus 2001. This will be 1001 upon 2 into 2002. So this will be equal to 1001. When I multiply 1001 by 1001, I will get 10020001. Okay, so this is the sum of odd integer from 1 to 2001. Here, this was about question number 1. So just note it down. Now let's move to question number 2. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. So a series, the sum of series will be equal to 105. See, it's between, so I cannot take 100 and 1000. It must be multiple of 5. So the next multiple is 110. The next multiple is 115. The last multiple will be 995. Okay. So here the first term a is equal to 105. The last term L is equal to 995. The difference D, that is 110 minus 105, that is equal to 5. So again we'll use the same formula, the shortcut Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. Now again we are having the first term, the last term. We are not having n. Okay, so here I can write down, let's take the last term as an. Then find out what is the value of n. So formula is an equal to e plus n minus 1 d. Now the nth term is, means the last term is 995. That is equal to a, that is 105 plus n minus 1 d, the difference is 5. So it will be 995 minus 105, that is equal to phi n minus phi. So 995 minus 105, that will be equal to 890 minus 5, when it goes on the other side it will be plus 5. That will be equal to phi n. 890 plus 5, that will be equal to 895, that is equal to phi n. N is equal to 895 upon 5. Okay, so from this we will get the value of n as n is equal to 179. The value of n is 179. When we divide 895 by 5, we will get it 179. Okay, so now let's find out the sum of all the natural number, means which are lying between 100 and 1000 and which are divisible by 5 or multiples of 5. So 100 and n is 179, so 179 divided by 2. The first term 105 plus the last term 995. This will be equal to 179 divided by 2. 105 plus 995, that is equal to 1100. 2 ones are 2 into 550. So 179 multiplied by 550, this will be equal to 98450. The sum of all the natural number lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5, is 98,450. Clear? So this was about question number 2. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. In an AP, that is arithmetic progression, the first term is 2. So let me write down the first term A is equal to 2. And the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4, thus 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So that the 20th term is minus 112. Means we have to show that A20 is equal to minus 112. Now see that, convert this, let's convert this, is 1/4, means 1 by 4. Next 5, sum of next 5. So what I will do, I will take S10. S10 means sum of first 10 terms minus S5 means sum of first 5 terms. Okay, if I take A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. Now what is this? This is sum of first 10 term, that is S10. Now I am subtracting sum of first 5, means I have subtracted this much. So now what is remaining? The sum from 6th through 10th, that is sum of next 5 term. Clear? Okay. Now we have to show that let's the 20th term is 1 minus 112. So we need to find it out A20. We have to show that it is minus 112. So this will be equal to A plus n minus 1d. We are having A, we are having n, that is 20. Okay, but we are not having the difference, so we'll use this and find it out difference. S pi, now what is the formula for Sn? N by 2 a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1d. So pi by 2 2a plus n minus 1 means phi minus 1d. This is equal to 1 by 4. S10 means 10 by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d minus S5, that means 5 by 2, 2a plus 5 minus 1 d. Okay, clear? So now 2 ones are 2 are. When this 2 on the other side, it will be 5 twos are 10. 2a, what is a? 2. So 2 is a 4 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4d. This is equal to, okay. Now this 2 I had sent it on the other side. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So it will be 5 2a. So 2 twos are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9d minus 5 by 2 as it is 2a. So 2 twos are 4 plus 5 minus 1 4d. So this will be equal to 10 into 4 40 plus 40d. This will be 5 fours are 20 plus 5 nines are 45d minus, okay, so 5 into 4 20, 20 by 2 10, 5 into 4 20, 20 by 2 10, so 10d. So 40 plus 40d, this is equal to 20 minus 10 10, 45 minus 10 35. Okay, so when it goes on this side, 40d minus 35d, this is equal to 10 minus 40. Okay, so 40d minus 30d 35d, that is 5d, and 10 minus 40, that is minus 30. 5 ones are 5 6 are, the value of the difference d is minus 6. Okay, so the difference is minus 6. Let's put down the value of d as minus 6 in this equation and prove that what is the 28th term, that is minus 112. So a, that is 2 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19, and d, that is minus 6. So this will be 2 plus 19 into minus 6, that will be minus 114. So it's minus 114, and that will be equal to minus 112. 820 is minus 112. So this implies that 28th term is minus 112. Clear? So this was about question number 3. So just note it down. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. How many terms of the arithmetic progression minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5, and so on are needed to give the sum of minus 25? Okay. Here it is given A, that is the first term minus 6. Difference D, that is minus 11 by 2 minus minus 6. This will be equal to minus 11 by 2 plus 6. So minus 11 plus 12 by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 2. The difference D is equal to 1 upon 2. Now it is given that needed to give the sum minus 25, means Sn is equal to minus 25. We have to find out n, how many terms are required. Okay, so let's put down the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn, that is minus 25, n upon 2. A, what is a? Minus 6. So 2 into minus 6, minus 12 plus n minus 1. The difference is 1 by 2. Okay, n by 2, taking LCM, minus 12 into minus 24 plus n minus 1. So n by 2 to the 4 minus 25 equal to n by 4 minus 24 minus 1 minus 25 plus n. Okay, when 4 goes on this side, minus 100. So n into minus 25 minus 25 n into n square. Okay, so taking on one side, I will get n square minus 25n plus 100 equal to 0. So now I need to factorize it. So 25, 20 into 5, that will be equal to 100. So n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. n common, n minus 20 minus 5 common, n minus 20 equal to 0. It's n minus 5 n minus 20 equal to 0. So either n minus 5 is equal to 0 or n minus 20 is equal to 0. This gives us either n is equal to 5 or n is equal to 20. So either 5 terms are required or 20 terms are required to give the sum minus 25. So the required terms is 5 or 20. Okay, so that was about question number 4. So just note it down. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Thank you.